dog calves being come. We have to go back and get them out of there. Hey, what's up, Peculiar fam? Out here doing a little work with my father-in-law. Sometimes you just gotta get it done. It's cold out here. I think it's like 40 degrees, but you gotta get the work done. We're out about to put out a little hay right now for the cows. Usually put out about 3 bales every 3 or 4 days. So this is what we're doing right now. I'll show y'all a little bit of that. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we back. About to put out a few bales of hay. It's cold out here. I think the colder it gets, the more hay the cows eat. So we're gonna go ahead and put out a few more bales of hay for them. They have eaten, usually put out about 3 bales every 3 or 4 days. So we're doing that right now. As you can see, there's one of the rings right there that's empty. Got another one over here. They walked this area down so bad. It's very muddy, real muddy out here, so we're gonna have to get something done to prevent this. You see there's the second ring, and there's the third ring. They've eaten that hay all the way down. So they're getting feed and hay right now, more hay than feed, so we'll try to put out a little bit more. So we'll show y'all that in a second. Y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all around. One that don't want to wait. Look at this. Get back, get back, get back. Hey, get on, get back, get back, get back. Oh. Get on back, get on back. Wait, wait. Be patient. Wait. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, come on out of here. Get on. Go. Go. Go on. Go on. Go on. Get on now. Go on. Get back. Get back. Get back. Huh? Trying to take over while we trying to get the hay to take to the rings. Come on, Mama, get out the way. We're trying to get it before we put it out. Yeah. Here's the shaking with the camera. I'm trying to get this gate closed to the barn. They just don't want to wait. Just don't want to wait. Hungry cow. good. All right, y'all. Coming through, coming through, coming through. Get back, back up. A little one right there. Dropped, I think, last week. Well, hers looking good. Everybody's pretty healthy. Got one that's down, something wrong with her spine or back legs, but all the rest of them are looking real good. Just checking to make sure that the calves have grain, have enough feed in their little trough. So you got the big ones trying to come over here thinking they're going to get some. Grass always looks green on the other side. Huh? They got hay over here, and they're coming over here trying to get the grain. That's the way it is sometimes. Now we've had to come out and check the fence line because the voltage in the hot wire is low. So it's being grounded out somewhere. Maybe it's a branch or a deer has jumped over the hot wire and made a twist around the barbed wire. So we're checking that out right now. Always something to do on the farm. So we're out here trying to figure out where it is. That's on it? Oh, wow. Well, look at that. I think we found the problem. Amazing. We rode through here the first time, did not see that. A couple of times this has happened. We rode the fence line, didn't find anything, and did it the second and third time. We'll see if that's it.
Jumped to 9.7.
9.7 from that.
From that. That's a whole lot better than what it was.
From 1.0 to 9.7 from that branch being on the line.
That's amazing, Marlon.